Alright, guys and girls, thanks for checking back in. I guess we're going to do another cooking Saturday. It just ain't going to be a normal thing, but the weather's nice and I like to cook out. So, what we're going to do is today we're going to do a steak over an open fire. So, stick around and watch that. All right, here we go, and I already seasoned it, but what we got here is a nice big fat porterhouse. On there we have got some smokehouse maple, which will be good on the fire. We have a little mesquite, and of course a little olive oil to give it some just a little stick so it sticks in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate this for a little while, then we're going to get the fire started, and we're going to throw this on the grill. So should be delicious. All right, guys, here we are at our little cook spot, and we might get some rain, so we're gonna get this thing started. And just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna use my fire steel to fire this up today. All right, so I got something dead here. Should catch spark pretty good. Even got some birch bark in there. So let's see if we can get this fired up. I don't see why not. There we go. There we go. Got it lit. Everything's been wet. It rained this morning, so everything is just wet. So we'll see if we can keep this thing rolling. Is that in frame? Yeah, it's in frame. Yeah, I believe we got her. Yeah, I'm gonna get that steak on here. Should be good to go. Yeah, even these branches are pretty wet, but I think we can get enough hot coals going where we can cook a steak anyway. If you notice, I like to just use twigs and branches and things of that nature, whatever I can find around. All right, we'll get this rolling. Fire burning outside there pretty good. It's starting to get hot down there. Even if it's wet, it's still gonna dry up. So we should be good to go. All right, let me collect some more wood. We'll throw some bigger stuff on here in a minute. All right, we got some fire rolling. Let's get some big stuff up on here so it can start to dry out. If you get any of this to light, then we're in good shape. Yeah, she's smoking pretty good. Of course, you know how it goes. Wherever you sit, the smoke follows. So once I get this rolling, and we'll put my rack on there, and we'll throw that steak on there. See you in a minute. Burning and sizzling. This wood is so wet. I'm just hoping I can get it enough coals so I can get that steak cooked. This should be alright. We're gonna try to get in and get us some dry wood. we've got to eat. There we go. Everywhere smoke is. Can't hide from the smoke, can you? Alright, there we go. That's some dry wood. That should help us get that thing rolling. Yeah, seems like it's doing the trick, isn't it? All right, we threw the grill up on there. We're gonna get that hot, and then here soon we'll be throwing that Angus porterhouse on that. So we're gonna let some of that fire burn down a little bit, make sure we're good and hot, then go from there. I don't mind a little fire. All right, there we go. I can't waste too much more time. We got some clouds moving in, so I'm gonna get this bad boy cooking. Nope, felt the raindrop. Might have waited too long, but here we go. We'll get her cooking. All right, depending on my heat here, the goal is 10 minutes on one side, 5 on the other. If it gets hotter, we'll do less. If it gets colder, we'll do more. I like mine a little pink on the inside, so we'll see how she turns out. Should have a good smoky flavor. I got that mesquite and that maple in there, so that should be really good with this real smoke. So my mouth is watering as we speak. Hey guys, I forgot to mention, this steak is brought to you by Witness Tree. It's a nut brown ale by Antietam Brewery. Oh boy, that is good. All right, that flame is a little hotter than we thought, so we're gonna cut our time back. Probably do 5 on one side and 3 on the other. You can smell it. All right, we're gonna flip this thing over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A few minutes on the other side, and we'll be good to go. All right, let's see what we got on this other side here. Sorry about that. Oh my, yeah, a couple more minutes. Well, about another minute. And that side should be good to go. Oh man, the smoke's getting in my face though. Got my nose running, my eyes are running. But it's worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Alright, here we are back inside. Let's give this a little cut right there. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, let's see this. Oh man. Oh, look at that. 5 minutes and about 3 minutes. Could have stayed, come off a little quicker. It got hotter faster than I thought. But I'm going to enjoy this nice porterhouse. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check back again. Sorry for the cooking videos, but hey, that's all I got going on right now. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. See ya. All right, guys. Sorry for that close-up. Hey, look how... That's some tender meat. Cheers.